Okay, hello everybody. I'm going to show you how to program these Turnigy ESCs, at least the one I got. You can manually program them through your transmitter with a throttle controller. But unfortunately at this moment I've been building a UAV aircraft and I haven't got the transmitter yet. So if you see my other videos, I just simply built an Arduino that sends the same kind of signal that you would with servos or anything, because it operates on the same kind of thing. And I'm going to show you how this works. So it took me a little while to figure this one out. In the beginning, I used this voltage divider to determine between 1000, 1500, and 2000. Don't really want to explain what that means. Basically 1000 is your lowest end, 2000 is your highest end, 1500 is in center. And that's how these ESCs are programmed. You have three options as it runs through the options. If your throttle is down on low, it means that you want to set that to that option 1. The middle setting over here, if it was like half power, would be option 2. And if you're full power, would be option 3. For some reason it wasn't working for me. It's getting all kinds of weird results. So what I ended up doing is programming some buttons into the Arduino. So when I push this button, that would be 1000, this would be 1500 and 2000. That way it's all evenly divided and it's something that the controller can understand. Okay, let's go ahead and power it up. I need 2 hands for this. Okay. When it first powers up, it's going to make that sound, and it's going to run through its settings. So that's option 2 is set on third option. Option 2 is set on the third option. Here's the fourth set. Option 1 is set. Option 3 is set on the fourth option, I believe, or fifth option. Here's the manual. As you can see, you get all these options here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when you first start this thing up, if you don't give it any throttle, it's going to report the current settings. So these little dots here are the default settings. You can see. So if I come power this up, you can see how this makes sense. Okay, now listen for the beeps. 1, 2, 3. So I'm on high setting on brake. 1, 2. I'm on medium on timing. I'm on medium cutoff. I'm on airplane mode, and I am on high on the throttle response. So it reports your current settings if you don't give it enough throttle. Now to program it, what you normally would do with your controller, you'll just turn your throttle all at the full power and you'll hear a sound. So we're going to do that now. I'm going to need 2 hands for this, so I have to put the camera down. You hear that sound, and you keep your throttle high. Once you hear that woo woo woo, you put your throttle down low, which I use this button to do so. And then now your throttle calibration is set. Now it's going to go through its modes. It's going to beep once. That means it's talking about this setting. So I want to put it to high. So I'm going to hit 3 for high. And made the setting. Sorry for the focus. Next setting would be the timing. I'm going to put that to medium. Should be a third button. Second button, sorry. And once it registers, it'll do that weird sound again. Registered. Next one, which would be the battery protection. See, it has 3 beeps, means the third option. So I'm going to put that also to the middle, because that's the only option it gives me, because there's none over here. Just completely turn it off. Then we have plane mode. Now, there's 4 beeps, means you're in your 4th mode. I'm going to go ahead and set that to plane mode, which is number 1, which is low. So that would mean plane mode. So we'll just wait for it to go through. Registered. Now, a throttle response. I'm setting it to high because I'm going to be using a flight controller, so I'd imagine I want the most response it can. So I'm going to push the third button, which is emulating the most full power, and you'll hear it do it again once it comes around. There you go. Now there's a 6 option, but I'm not sure what it is. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it's 6 beeps. No idea what that is. Haven't figured that one out yet. So I unplug it. Now it's unplugged. Now these settings will be set. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Plug her in. We'll hit 50%. Huh, interesting. See how like it didn't stop? We're slowly revving down. I must have not set the brake. I might have came in too late on that one. So no problem. We can just unplug it. You don't have to go through the whole set of instructions to make a setting. You just go up to what you want and just unplug it and plug it back in. So go ahead and fix that brake. There, emulated throttle up, registered, throttle down, register. Okay, now we're going to wait for the first set of beeps, the 1 beep. I'm going to set it high, which is brake at full. Set that push high on my emulator here. Now register, and there we go. Unplug, plug back in. And now, when I give it power, it should shut down real fast. There it goes. It's called braking. So that's how you program your ESCs with this Turnigy. If you had a flight controller, or if you had a transmitter with a throttle on it, which I don't have yet, so I had to write some code for this to make this emulate it. That's what you do. You just low means it's completely down, medium, half throttle, high, full throttle. And as it does its beeps, 1 beep is setting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, and all 3. And apparently there's a 6th setting that does 6 beeps. I have no idea what that is. I've been trying to figure it out, have not yet. So if I figure it out, I'll post it in an annotation or in a description somewhere, and hopefully that'll help you out. Alright guys, have a good night.